Hello, boys and girls. Mr. McAndrew with you again today. We are going to learn how to play an awesome online game called 10 Frame Mania. So you're going to watch me play it. I know you can't see me, kind of like those shows where you watch the guy playing the video game. And I'm going to show you how it works, and then there's a link that you can use to play it yourself. So if you forget anything, you can always go to this button where it says Learn, and it'll show you what I'm going to show you, but I'm going to show you even more. So without further ado, I'm going to hit the play button. So you can play this on a phone, a tablet, like an iPad, or your computer. If you're on a phone or a tablet, you could use your finger. But if you're on the computer, then you'll need to use a mouse and click. So I'm using a mouse. I'm going to click on play. So I'm going to click on the hard version. You can try a different one if you want, but I think if you try hard, okay, and then go to level 1, you should be fine. So you see there's different levels here, right? In the beginning, there's only going to be 3 levels that you can select. I've been playing, so I got to the 4th level, which I'll show you in a few minutes. All right, so level 1, I'm going to click on that, click, and then it says start. So now I'm going to click on start, and it's going to begin. So some numbers are going to come out. My job is to get rid of those numbers before they reach the end of the maze. So how do I do that? I have to fill up this 10 frame with the number that's in red. So right now it's a 4. So I'm going to click on it. 1, 2, 3, 4 school buses. Oh, pop, it went away. All right, now there's a red 3, so I have to put down 3. 1, 2, 3. Bam, there it goes. Awesome. 1. Now I could put that 1 anywhere I want in this 10 frame. I'm going to put it right there. Sure, why not? Oh, now we got 5, so I got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's a 1. I'm going to put the 1 here. And all right, congratulations. So now you see it says you unlocked fill 5. So notice there's a 5 right here. Okay, I'm going to show you how that works in a minute. Okay, so the red number is a 5. So there's 2 ways I could do that. One way I could go and click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I did it. When the next 5 comes up, I'm going to show you a different way. Okay, here's a 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here's 2. I can put the 2 wherever I want. 1, 2. There's a 1. There's a 3. 1, 2, 3. There's a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a 1. Okay, so here's a 5. Remember last time I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But watch what happens when I click this 5. It fills the whole row up. So watch what happens. I'm going to click it. Whoa, look at that. Okay, so if you click that 5, the whole row fills in. Okay, now there's a 4. I got to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's another 5. Easy peasy. All right, round 2 is done. Bring on round 3. Okay, so I think you get the idea of this round, right? 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so let's go back and let's try level 2. Okay, so the idea of this, boys and girls, is if you're getting bored, if it's too easy, then go to the next level. Okay, make it as challenge. It shouldn't be so challenging that you can't do it, but it shouldn't be so easy that it's boring. Okay, all right. So let's go to level 2. I'm going to hit start. All right, here we go. 7 now. 7, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to click it on 7. But I want you to think, was there a faster way I could have done that with fewer clicks? Okay, so here's a 10. So 10, I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, is there a faster way I could be doing this? That's my question to you. Okay, there's an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's a 1. That's easy. 1. There's another 8. So if you might have figured out the 8, let's figure this out before it gets to the end. If I click this 5, right, that's 1 click. There's 5, and then I have to add how many more? Let's find out. 6, 7, 8, just 3 more. So 5 and 3 makes 8. All right, awesome. So we unlocked fill 10. Whew, this is getting exciting. Okay, so fill 10, let's see what that looks like when we get there. So there's another 8. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 9, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But instead I'm going to go 5, and then I have to add how many more to get 9? Let's find out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had to add 4 more. So 5 and 4 makes 9. There's an 8. We know that one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you get the idea of this, right? There's another 5. No problem. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's go back. We're going to try level 3 now. Okay, so when you're playing this, when I'm done showing you this, you're going to be playing this game, okay, several times, and, you know, maybe do it for like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes at a time, and just, if you start to get bored, then go to the next level. Okay, so we have 6. So 6, I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I'm just going to try and do it in as few clicks as possible. So 6, I'm going to think of as 5 and 1 more. Gives me 6. Okay, now 15. Watch this. This is awesome. Actually, I'm going to do it the hard way. So I'm going to go 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That took forever, but I did it. Now there is a faster way. Look, if I click this 10, it fills up the whole 10 frame. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Bam, done. Got that 14. All right, here comes a 13. I'm going to do 10 plus 3 more. 10, 11, 12. Bam, done. 11, I can do it in 2 clicks. Watch this. 10 plus 1 more. Done. All right, so now it's going to unlock this one. Very exciting. Yes. Okay, so I'll do a few of these, and then I think you have the idea of it, boys and girls, right? You get the idea of how this game works? All right, 6. Come on. 6, that's too easy. 6, 7. We got 5 plus 2 more. We got a 14. 5, 10 plus. How many more do I need to get to 14? 10 plus what? 10 plus, let's see, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 more. 10 and 4 makes 14. There's a 7, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I think you guys get the idea of this. All right, I'm going to show you now. Level 4, you have to finish level 3 to get to level 4. You have to finish level 4 to get to level 5, and on and on. I want you to try and get through all the levels if you can. Okay, but not, you know, if you start to find that the numbers are getting to the end and you're getting frustrated, then just go back a level. It's fine. So I'm going to go to level 4 and just show you briefly what this can look like, and then we'll be all set. Okay, so 19, that's the biggest number we've seen. Whew. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My finger's getting just tired from all this clicking. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Boys and girls, was there a faster way I could have done that? Yes, there's another 19 coming up, so you can tell me. Okay. You can't tell me because I'm on a video, but we'll figure it out. So there's a 10. That's easy. Bam, 10. Okay, so 13. I got my 10 plus 3 more. 11, 12, 13. All right, so there's my 19. Oh, I'm not going to have time to click all the way through this. But watch what I could do. I could do 10. 5 more gives me 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. Whew. Barely beat it. Oh no, here comes a 15. What am I going to do? 10 and 5 more. Bam, there goes the 15. Okay, so now it's going to unlock this one. So I think you get the idea of it. All right, have fun. Again, if you're getting bored with it, then make it more challenging. Go to the next level. And if you're getting frustrated, then just go down a little bit. And this is great practice for decomposing numbers, right? Because we know that 10 is the same as 10. Sorry, 19 is the same as 10 and 5 and 4 more. Awesome. Great job, guys. Have fun playing the game. I will show you more games in the future, but for now, have fun with 10 Frame Mania.